Today's loss was the fifth worst decline for the Dow in history.
It has plunged around 2,000 points today after another.
Well, a collapse on Wall Street today amid a day of big changes across the country. All three of the major averages closed.
Hey, Annuity Gator. I want to thank you for taking our retirement quiz. As promised, we're analyzing just a few minutes. But before you jump into your share with you a quick story. When I first got started I was trained on Wall Street to provide my clients as much as 30% of their retirement savings during the dot-com crash. I vowed left the Wall Street big banks and my guaranteed income and how to protect their. The world has changed, and what I'm about to share with you others, which is why I've prepared the following video presentation, which will review just how simple it really is to safely grow your retirement savings regardless of market conditions. So stay tuned. How would you like retirement? Regardless of what's happening in the been tested and proven with countless investors throughout the country. It may sound too side economic forces or future market approaching retirement. This is the harsh reality. Future healthcare cost. Today, it's not saving enough over time, or a combination of all of the above. People today are extremely stressed about running out of money before they run out of time. Despite having a good amount of retirement savings, many people are still concerned about outliving their money and are faced with work for the average investor anymore because securely protects their retirement savings and provides them access to their money when they need. Advisor for over 25 years, I've discovered that many Americans make the same. Know this proven formula, you'll be able to max money regardless of market conditions. And the reason I know this is because I've worked with countless can help you join the winning side of how we've helped clients generate more income regardless of market conditions with the proper use of the biggest mistakes retirees typically make when it comes to annuities, and how to avoid the exact same strategies that we have used to help countless clients all across America increase. Hey, who's Annuity Gator, and how can they? Leading podcast hosted by yours truly. over 100 annuity reviews published online areas, simplifying annuities so they can make a confident and informed decision with their retirement workshop or an educational class hosted by a local financial advisor, or you responded to a TV commercial, a radio advertisement, or financial radio show. Come to the right place, and you're going to love financial advisor and want an objective retirement income or growth potential with their retirement savings. It's for people who manage their own reliable income stream. It's for people who are researching annuities online and looking for finances. Here's how we helped one of our clients who needed to secure some form of income in addition starting in about 7 years. But she wanted to make annuities that offered her a higher guaranteed future $5,500 a year to over $30,000 a year. That was about an additional Julie, with the promise that it would provide $2,000 savings into the annuity. After the advisor had proposed, just by talking to us, share that formula with you today. Now, the best thing about this proven formula is that you guaranteed income or potential for growth. Well, the best way I can explain this to you whatever happened to happily ever after? Believe form of a nice pension to keep them comfortable in the fairy tales of old. This guaranteed pension is no longer available for most of the 78 million baby boomers heading that you have enough assets and income the rules change. It's no longer about money last. Here's the deal. When you'll be living on income. That's a big moment, and let the next point really sink. Exact opposite of what most everyone else out there is telling you. Many of the financial retirement are told to stay fully invested. We are averaging a return greater than what we're taking out, we should be okay, right? Wrong. At the same time you are taking out income can have a devastating effect on your retirement. Of experience working with clients all over the country, a successful retirement plan should focus primarily on generating income coming in every month, and that it will last as long as you do. And here's some sobering facts about retirement, which is illustrated in what we call longevity risk, which most of us will spend 25 years in retirement. The average life expectancy now for us is longer than it used to be. And here's another interesting fact. But it is a fact. You can see here as a couple, life expectancy is 93. and returning to annuities now more than ever before is 100% of your principal balance is secure. To have access to your money, whether that's from But with all the different types of annuities out there, how do you know which annuity is right for you? You see, you've got variable annuities being sold by financial salespeople. Many retirees are unsure which annuity are trying to understand how to make the best be. It's not unusual for some people to be, we see it, not knowing what to do with your, which doubles as a boat and parked car. But road like a car, it actually doesn't do a very good things. It's important to understand that annuities may be very good at providing guaranteed lifetime insulation. So what is the biggest mistake investors come at all, but are better at protected growth? Changing interest rates to attract new customers against inflation. The fact is that thoroughly working with countless clients all over the country, we like to educate and explain how annuity 5, 7, or even 10 years, this type of annuity is not designed to provide free withdrawals yearly, or you can walk away with a lump sum at the end of the term. People who choose this type of annuity are not looking for additional income, but instead growth. Unfortunately, some salespeople sell one blanket annuity to their clients without doing all the research. Some financial salespeople may with the highest rates and know you're getting the best deal. Let's face it, annuities can be down. Contracts can be full of complex terms, jargon, and numbers that can be confusing to most 15%. Compare and shop over 4,000 licensed agent and get your annuity quote now. Annuities have become increasingly popular with retirees. Searched annuities on Google, 14 million 41 million results show up. This doesn't even include the radio talk shows hosted by financial advisors, or the thousands of dinner seminars and retirement planning workshops can be misleading or make some annuities appear more lucrative than they actually are. It's gotten a bad reputation. We are trying to change that. You see, annuities offer benefits that no other products do. They offer lifetime, easy to understand manner. Here's a tip to help you make when buying annuities. If you're buying an annuity, I only like to point out the best case scenario. Well, if the market performs well, here's what you'd for income annuities, only buy them not what they might pay you if the market performs. Remember, you are buying the annuity for guaranteed additional income, 10% bonus up front. Or you may have even heard, here's the real truth about annuity rates. The benefits and the numbers that really matter, great. Cut through all the smoke and mirrors by only paying attention to how much actual money is guaranteed to go into your bank account on the first of every month. Look, but you must compare them against each other to see which ones offer the most income, just investment holdings in two separate annuities. Recommendation to expand the use of income annuity to the Secretary of Treasury goes on to for a secure retirement. By encouraging the use of income annuities, today's guidance can help retirees protect themselves from outliving their savings. But annuities are not for everyone. They can be complex, confusing, but when used properly, certain annuities may provide financial benefits up to nice dinners. Enjoying the freedom that, and you know the best part? You can rest easy at and you have access to your money when you need it most for life or a lump sum withdrawal later with your primary retirement goal. Whether is to get a side-by-side comparison of indexes used to calculate the interest earned each year and calculate any fees associated with the annuity. And finally, select the top annuity or combination of annuity with confidence and peace of mind, just like our clients have done. Once you have this part secure, process to help you find which annuities put companies will offer the highest guaranteed lifetime income. Crack it yourself. And who knows, maybe you'll find this way you'll have the confidence and peace of mind. That's what we do every day for our clients. You see, that phase, they were unsure how much they could safely of possibly running out of money if the markets didn't to receive $70,000 in addition fees. If you've worked with a financial salesperson, it should be radically improved for all Americans. Simple, transparent, and enjoyable. You should receive honest, unbiased annuity guide the way people research annuities, and we put the power that we will walk you through called a personalized in the future, or people who want to securely grow. And finally, people that want to access walk you through how this process works. Away from you, then step 2, where we visually rank the annuities available in your state. Annuities available in your state based on your as to what type of return you can expect will tell you exactly what each insurance company is competing for your business. They will frequently potential of each company. It will list the company's age, your state that you live in, and will enter your will provide a personalized annuity ranking report that will identify the top annuities and benefits and are intended to illustrate how our ranking identify and rank the top safe growth annuities. The list of companies, fees, payout rates. Once we've identified the top annuities, which you can then use to compare the top you might have, or bring us any annuity that you Our hope is that this personalized web demo will give you peace of mind, not only knowing that you have the right annuity or combination of annuities, for people who want peace of mind to spend their money has to offer without all the financial complexity. So, whether you've been working with a financial advisor for many years, or you manage separate from the annuity to meet your foreseeable needs, secure retirement, and if you're willing to take action, is right for you. Now, knowing we're only looking for those who are a good fit and that our strategies align with their goals. So go ahead and request your web demo at no cost or obligation.